Also, I'm going to add the spices, mixed spice. Now, let's be careful with the spices. Why? Because in mixed spice we have some cinnamon and also we have nutmeg. Both works against the yeast. So if you overweight that amount of spices, probably your hot cross buns are going to take much longer to prove, and if you overdo it, probably those spices are going to kill the yeast, and then again your hot cross buns are going to look a bit flat and sad. So 5 grams, please don't go more than that, of mixed spice in there. And I'm going to add the 3 grams of salt. We can say it's like a generous pinch of salt. Great. Now, on top of this, I have all my dry ingredients together. I'm going to add some butter. Room temperature unsalted butter. It's a bit softer, easy to manipulate. So I'm going to break this down in pieces